This is the Quest 2, and in this video I'll show you how to take off the default head strap, and we're going to be putting on the Vive Deluxe audio strap. And this one is just an extra modification that I did. You can also find this in our shop, but we're not talking about that today. We're just going to talk about how to swap out the white head strap and put in this strap instead. So to do that, we're going to be using these adapters. Right now I'm going to show how to do only the left side, but we're going to repeat that in a similar step on the right side. So let's start with the left side. So to take out the left side adapter, it just snaps into place, so you can take out and apply some force over here and it pops out like that. And you can see by default or by manufacturer, this part's a little curved naturally. Also this part here is curved. It's not actually flat, it's a little, and that's just by design, and that's perfectly normal. So once we take this out, we're gonna install the 3D printed kit. So that goes right there, and this part here, I'm just gonna hold it in place to show, but that goes into this part and it snaps in and it's held by friction. And you can see in the video I'll show up soon that it's very snug and it won't come out. So it's friction fit. And this is the left side. The left side is a little special because you put in the audio cable. So what you want to do is, before you place this in, or you can place this in now, but then pay attention and be mindful that the wire, the video or the audio cable, will go through this, wrap around, and go through this slot at the bottom. As you can see, once the adapter is on the Vive head strap, it's very snug and you can't take it out. As I could show right now, if I'm bending it, it won't come out. You see that? This is the left side, and this end goes to the Oculus Quest. So it's pretty safe that it won't fall off. After attempting to put in this thing, and the hard part is putting it in this, as it didn't want to snap into place once the adapter is on the headset. So what I found out works best is put on this piece first onto the strap until it snaps in, and you can tell that the black piece is flush on the edge of the blue part. So it should be flush, not sticking out, and that's very secure. Now I'm gonna put it onto the headset, and I find this method works best. If you do the head strap first, then put the piece onto the headset. Okay, I had to put it on my lap, and then I pushed it in to make it snap. But that is the left, or that's the right side, and the left side. As you can see, fits really nicely. Now we just gotta take care of the top part. So the top part is pretty easy to do. So I'm just gonna use this one here. As you can see, I'm gonna wrap it around into that groove, the cable. Okay, and place my finger in there and keep it inside the groove. Okay, now on the adapter, we want to line it up so it can fit into this groove here, and the speaker port on the Quest 2 is right there. So that's where we'll be plugging into the that hole right there. Okay, you can see. So let's go ahead and do that. go. Okay, I think I got it. Wait a minute. It's kind of hard doing this with the camera. Let me hold that again. Okay, so let's try that again. And there we go, and it's really tight. So see how it's the cable, you still can pull that in and plug in. There we go. Now, and that completes the left side, and you want to do the same thing for the right. So get the other 3D printed adapter and repeat the process. Pull that out, snap it in, and you have set. The top part's pretty easy as well. I'll remove the strap for the top part. Okay, now it's removed. You have two options now. You have two options. You have this one, which is a buckle, and you can use a Velcro to attach the front end to the head strap. Right there, there's a piece of plastic that's inside there. You want to Velcro that, and then you can use the strap to go inside here and finish it off like this. Okay, and that Velcro goes in there, and we also provide the Velcro right here. It should come with the kit. Optionally, you can forego this buckle piece and use this piece here. As you can see, it's a buckle with hooks at the end, and that snaps into there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this piece and see what happens. I found that connecting this piece is a little tricky when the mask is in the way, so I pulled it out, and it was easy. All you had to do is just really pull it straight back out, straight out that way, and that takes off the piece that attaches to your face. Now it exposes the hinge, or this plastic piece, and I'm just gonna snap it into place. And there we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put this piece back on. And for me, I'm using the extra plastic piece for the glasses. Since I wear glasses, it gives me a little slight room so that my prescription glasses didn't scratch the lens. And this is it. And there you go. Now we just attach this into there. Now we have a completed Oculus Quest 2 with the Vive Deluxe audio strap. Thanks for watching.